Now, until this week, I had no idea we were living in the midst of something called the Great Resignation, and that's the name that's been given to the record rate in which people are currently leaving their jobs. Now, there's a whole host of reasons why this is happening, the bulk of which are deeply rooted in the pandemic. So, let's answer this question. What can you do to stop people wanting to leave your team? It's incredibly motivating and inspiring for people to know that their everyday efforts are positively impacting others and contributing to something bigger. It gives them reason, purpose, and perspective. If a member of your team is continually having hard work go unnoticed and unrecognised, it can be a real energy sapper. They may start to ask themselves, why do I even bother? Therefore, it's important to find ways to celebrate all the successes of your team and the individuals within it. When you're part of a business that prioritises development and supports your various opportunities to grow, you're in a very wealthy and beneficial position. Therefore, it would seem like an incredibly detrimental, gigantic step backwards to leave a team which has set you on a path of high trajectory for something else, unless it offers you the same. As a leader, your duty towards the individuals you lead and the team as a collective is to build an environment containing everything they need to flourish and not one where people wilt through stress. Integral to this is that the people within feel understood, trusted, and cared for. Building absolute unity is incredibly challenging. However, every individual spark of connectivity generated has the power to ignite a charge and energy that can be felt far beyond its origins. This is why team days, collaborative working, and challenges are hugely important if you're trying to build bonds and chemistry. It's always harder to leave a team that you feel deeply attached to. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this blog, check out more on our website. Additionally, we discuss topics like these on our Learn, Grow, Succeed podcast. Our Instagram is also heaped with learning motivation.